The software provides a feature under the Correction Return option to update or correct PAN details in salary records in bulk through Excel. As part of the correction return process, once logged into the software, users can navigate to the Correction Return section and use this feature. Under Correction Return, scroll down and find Add Salary Details. Click on Excel Download. Click on Save to save the file on the machine. Open the downloaded Excel file and make the changes to be made. Open the software again and click on PAN Change via Excel. One can download the Excel format and update the format of the file accordingly by clicking on Download Excel Format. Click on Import Data from Excel to upload the Excel file. Select the updated Excel file and click on Open. Click on Upload and Validate. Click on Start Import. The Excel will be imported successfully. Hope you found it useful. Thank you for watching.